hi everyone, this is NNY. So I think there's a light show going on at MBS and it's gonna happen at 8 p.m. So let's wait until 8 p.m. Hello. Yeah, so there's a light show going on at 8 p.m. So we're just waiting for the light show to start. Yeah, so everyone hold on, yeah. This is MBS area. And then we're waiting for the light show to start. Yeah, I guess it's gonna start at 8. Yeah, so our admin is in Malaysia and I am doing this for them while they are enjoying in JB. I'm not sure what is the theme tonight, but apparently it's supposed to be special. I'll let the admin update you guys after I finish this live. So pretty. Yeah, y'all see the night view. Hello, hi Ellen. So this light show is supposed to last for about 10 minutes. And while watching the light show, there's a performance here as well. So many things going on. Yeah, it is very crowded. It's actually very crowded at MBS area. That's why I'm opposite at somewhere. Can y'all see the water fountain? No, this is not the admin. The admin is still in JB. So this is admin's kakya that is doing the live on behalf of them. Oh yes, I think someone said that the team is Top Gun. I'm not sure. I'll let the admin confirm about this. They are still in Malaysia, by the way. I think you guys might not be able to hear the music very clearly from the other side because there's performance going on at Esplanade as well. Yeah, I mean busy shopping pasar malam and eating chicken wings. Yeah, I'm not sure whether it's clear for you guys. I try my best to hold my hand steady. No, I'm not the admin of Singapore. I wish. Also, the admin say that the show needs to be seen at MBS. Sorry guys. Can I try and zoom in for you guys? Does it work? Is this better? Or should I zoom out? Oh. Oh, guys, I think we will end this live because the admin was saying that 8:30 then there'll be another show and this cannot really be seen from here, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna end the live. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I wish I could have gone to MBS and show you guys clearer from there, but this is the best I can do, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.